Welcome to the fascinating world of magical entity creation. Before we dive into the practical steps, let's clarify what a magical entity actually is. In this context, an entity is a vital principle, an immaterial essence given life through deliberate effort. By personifying your thoughts and emotions, you can create a being that acts to manifest your desires. Unlike a simple talisman, a magical entity is aware of its environment and understands its purpose. Throughout history, humans have created and interacted with entities, from gods and goddesses to familiars and spirits. These beings start as thought forms, symbols representing concepts or intentions. Through focused intention and energy, these thought forms are given distinct existence, allowing them to operate independently and help you achieve specific goals. The process is both creative and deeply personal, blending imagination, symbolism, and willpower. So why would someone go through the process of creating a magical entity? The answer lies in flexibility and control. Magical entities can be custom designed for very specific goals, offering a level of precision that other magical workings may lack. For instance, you can create an entity to protect your home, attract wealth, inspire creativity, or even help you learn a new skill. Once created, these entities require little ongoing energy from you. They work independently, freeing you to focus on other things. Entities can also be programmed to adapt, learn, and even report back information. This makes them incredibly versatile tools for personal growth, problem-solving, and spiritual exploration. The process of entity creation is also a powerful way to hone your magical skills, as it requires meditation, visualization, and creative thinking. Ultimately, the only limit is your imagination. Before you begin creating an entity, it's essential to attune your energy. This means developing control over your own energy through practices like meditation, healthy diet, exercise, and adequate sleep. Meditation helps you clarify your intentions and see situations from new perspectives. A balanced diet and regular exercise keep your body and mind in optimal condition, while proper sleep ensures you have the energy needed for magical work. Creative visualization is another key tool, aligning your physical, mental, and spiritual selves to achieve your goals. Recognizing and understanding energy signatures, your own and others, will make your magical workings more effective. Respect is crucial. Treat your entities as comrades, not tools, and always fulfill your end of any energetic bargain. By preparing yourself in these ways, you lay a strong foundation for successful entity creation. With your energy prepared, it's time to plan your entity. Start by defining your goals in detail. What do you want the entity to accomplish? Visualize the desired outcome and consider all possible effects, both positive and negative. Write down your intentions clearly, as this forms the blueprint for your entity. Next, decide on the entity's tasks, realm of influence, and appearance. Naming your entity is a creative process. Names can be derived from the statement of intent, symbolic words, or even reversed phrases. The entity's appearance should reflect its purpose and attributes, using symbols, colors, or forms that resonate with you. Choose a physical housing for your entity, such as a statue, crystal, or handmade object to anchor its presence. Finally, determine how the entity will be fed energy, its lifespan, and how it will be dissolved when its purpose is complete. This thoughtful planning ensures your entity is effective, safe, and aligned with your intentions. The final step is to animate your entity and set it to work. Begin with cleansing and balancing rituals to prepare your space and mind. State your magical intent clearly, aligning your desire with the entity's purpose. Charge the entity and its housing with energy. This can involve visualization, breath, bodily fluids, or symbolic acts. Use a programming symbol to link your intent to the entity, and perform rituals that resonate with your personal magical system. Once the entity is charged, name it and instruct it on its tasks, energy sources, and lifespan. Release the entity to begin its work and maintain respectful contact through meditation, visualization, or ritual. Remember, the relationship you build with your entity will influence its effectiveness. Record your experiences and adapt your approach as you learn. With practice, you'll find entity creation to be a rewarding and empowering magical art.